ayun, happy birthday, Unique. Mag-iingat kayo palagi ni Bok. Stay strong sa inyo at God bless. Happy birthday ulit. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Unique. God bless you and good health. Stay safe. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Unique! Miss ko na yung mga banding natin. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Love you. Ingat.
Wala sa'yo, bebe. Happy birthday. I miss you. Ture. Happy birthday. God bless you, lagi.
Hi B, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, sana tumaba ka na and mag-iingat ka palagi. Mahal kita. Mwah.
Yo, Unique. Happy birthday to you. Wishing you a good health and sana ingat kayo lagi ni Jello. God bless you more.
Happy birthday, Unique. Wishing you all the best. I love you.
Hi, Bess! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best for you. Hindi man tayo lagi nakasama kapag nais mo for you. Don't hesitate to message me ha kapag may problema ka. Alam mo yan, best kayo kung makasama mo tayo. Kailan tayo palagi. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Hindi tayo sudan mo. Sana, dito tayo. Basta kita. And I love you. Enjoy your birthday.
Hi, Bess. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Sana magtagal pa kayo ng baby loves mo. Miss you, love you. Bumili ka ng lip tint ko. Ingrata ka. Bye!
Happy birthday, bestie. On behalf of my baby, yun ang nalasabi namin. Her birthday stock.
Oh my God, it's me, Clays. Charot. Good evening, everyone. Charing. Asensya na kagad ako, Bessie. Happy birthday, Bessie. More birthdays to come. Charot. Yun, ingat lagi. Stay safe and stay strong sa inyo ni Inday. And yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. Love sa inyo ni Jenay.
Happy birthday, Nak Unique. Happy birthday, Ninang. Happy birthday, Ninang. God bless. Ingat palagi. Love you. Sa'yo.
Hi, Unique. Happy birthday. Thank you sa friendship and more birthday to come and more blessings. See you soon. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Tita Unique.
I love you. Diba?
Happy birthday, Tita Unique. Happy birthday, Tita Unique. Happy birthday, Ate Baby. Stay maganda, lalo na sa coronavirus. Ingat po kayo dyan. Bye!
Happy birthday, Happy birthday! Happy birthday. Sana matutunan mo yung show and sana lagi pa rin tayo magkasama. And sa mga
Happy birthday! This is Ate Mia! Enjoy your day! Stay healthy and happy and in love! Love!
Happy birthday sa Diyos sa kong ate. Happy birthday, Ate Bebe. I love you. Take care. Happy birthday, Ate Bebe. Stay healthy.
magandang kapatid at si Bebe. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ti Bebe. Ingat ka.
Happy birthday, baby. I love you.
Happy birthday, Be. Love you.
Happy birthday, Nani. Pakabait ka ha. We love you. Kahit na minsan makulit. Hehe. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.